Mga idol, kini nga video mga idol is board pit lang gihapon mga idol. Atong sumadahon ang board pit sa cone volume, no? Cone volume, ang iyang circle, base circle area radius is 15 inches. Then the height is 35 inches, no? Atong kuhaon ang volume aning board pit gamit og over 12, no? So balikan nato ang standard formula sa board pit. Board pit equals thickness measured by inches times width measured by inches times 12 measured by feet over 12. No? So, ang atong standard cone volume is volume equals 1/3 phi radius squared then height. No? So, another volume cone, volume equals phi radius squared height over 3. So, the last one, kini atong gamiton mga idol. Cone volume equals open parenthesis, then phi, then radius squared, then height, close parenthesis, divided by 3. No? So, sa ato pa, ang board pit equals open parenthesis, then phi, then radius squared, then height, close parenthesis, divided by 3 over 12. So again, measurement, reduce, base circle area reduce is 15 inches, no? Radius is 15 inches. Then ang atong height is 35 inches. Convert into feet, no? 2.916 feet, no? Is 35 inches. Kay mugamit ta og over 12. So, mao na ni ang atong equation mga idol. Proper equation of math operation. So, atong putol-putolon. Cone board pit equals board pit open parenthesis phi radius squared then height close parenthesis then divided by 3 over 12. So simplify, open bracket 3.1416 open parenthesis 15 inches close parenthesis then squared then 2.916 feet then close bracket divided by 3 over 12. So simplify, baba pa tayo. Open bracket is 3.1416 open parenthesis 225 square inch close parenthesis 2.916 feet then close bracket divided by 3 over 12. So simplify, 2061.0376 divided by 12. Okay, so Yara 687.06792 over 12 equals board pit is 57.25566 board pit, no? So the cone volume in terms of board pit is 57.25566 board pit, no? So, maura to mga idol. Og daghang salamat.